Aero Asset presents this Leonardo AB139, serial number 31010. The AB139 is the first iteration of the AW139. With over 1,100 units delivered to customers worldwide and north of 2 million flight hours flown, the 139's reputation speaks for itself. AB139 and AW139 are two names for the same aircraft, manufactured in conformity with a unique type certificate datasheet. The 139 offers Category A, Class 1 performance at 6.4 ton, 14,110 pounds max takeoff weight, thanks to its powerful twin-turbo shaft Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6C-67C engines and a fully articulated main rotor with 5 composite blades. Serial number 10 has a dual-pilot IFR cockpit with 4 axes DAFCS and a 4-screen Honeywell Primus EFIS. Its dual sliding doors and 12-passenger layout offers a light configuration. An ideal passenger shuttle and onshore utility work platform for the most demanding hot temperatures and high-altitude environments. AB139 serial number 10 was delivered to its first and current owner in 2005. Since delivery, it has remained Swiss registered and under ASO maintenance and operational jurisdiction. Leonardo AB139 serial number 31010. Presented by Aero Asset.